So starting off CNC Group Break 3887 with 1213 certified insert rookie Anthology. No Arizona hits. You gotta give Arizona some love too, you guys. So good luck. We have a certified signatures for the Columbus Blue Jackets, David Savard. Certified stars for the Vancouver Canucks, number to 999, Henrik Sedin. Base pack. Certified signatures for the Chicago Blackhawks, Andrew Shaw. Masked Marvels, number to 999 for the Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. We have a rookie number to 999 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Andrew Druder. Fabric of the Game jersey number to 299 for the Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin. We have a mirror red number to 199 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, James Neal. We have a Fabric of the Game jersey number to 199 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. And a little cute little kid. We have a random number to 399 between the Washington Capitals and Boston Bruins, Marcus Johansson and Patrice Bergeron. That is all. Making me do extra work now, Lee. Sorry, A+. We have a game-worn gear jersey for the St. Louis Blues, David Backes. We have a Cup Contenders number to 999 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Hey, I ain't complaining about my job. I've never complained about CloutsnChara. The best pack. We have an Elite Rookies number to 999 for the St. Louis Blues, Jake Allen. And a game-worn gear jersey for the Boston Bruins, Tyler Seguin.
I'm watching you.
No. What? Boston. Jeez.
Cool.
This one's Dallas. We have a luxury suite jersey autograph, number to 99 for the Dallas Stars, Lane McDermott.
Are you winning yet?
I don't believe so.
Your favorite routine.
I know. We have a Contenders Legacies, number to 999 for the Boston Bruins, Cam Neely. I always pick a team and go with it.
Yep.
Towering Defenders jersey for the Washington Capitals, Jeff Schultz.
Just remember, Ash, at the end of this break, everyone will be chanting, "Go, Jeff, go."
Go Ashley, guys?
No.
I think that's what you meant. Elite rookie number to 999 for the Florida Panthers, Colby Roback. Said only Jeff.
I don't think I've met him in person, now have I? I look forward to meeting you in person.
You haven't. You're never here to help me with my trades with him. We have a rookie Treasures dual jersey auto number to 699 for the Boston Bruins, Michael Hutchinson. You'll meet him on the 25th.
I'm gone.
You won't meet him on the 25th.
Oh, I'm here.
We have an intensity number to 500 for the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog.
He'll extend his hand out, and I'm like, no. No.
Swap it away.
It's like, get out of my face. Cup releases on Wednesday, A+. Wednesday.
And we have a Vezina Contenders number to 999 for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist.
25th of trade night?
Apparently.
Oh.
Right after Cup. Do I show these?
Yep.
Okay, Prism for the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne.
Cool.
Ooh.
I like these cards.
We have a Prism rookie autograph for the Detroit Red Wings, Riley Sheahan. A+ doesn't like you very much.
I know.
Just saying. And a Prism rookie for St. Louis Blues, Jaden Schwartz.